So if you look at the past 5 years in terms of the way the technology is changing a lot of forum and a lot of conversations are happening all around. The time has come to actually implement these technologies into the classroom. We make sure that the best thing to do is to use ChatGPT, but this time we changed it slightly different. We train the GPT for making sure that it mimics exactly how the faculty teaches in the class. So what we did was we tried to give the data to GPT from 16 to 22 kind of assignments and the course plans and the content which the faculty has taught. We made sure that we fed that particular data inside the GPT to train it to think, act and do exactly like the faculty does. The result is not exactly accurate, but the result is really surprisingly faster than you can think of. The way the faculties try to do exactly in the class, now you can have an AI tutor which exactly mimics the way the classroom teaching does and enhances it in a certain way.
3, sustainable leadership. Leaders who have integrated sustainability into their business model, like Elon Musk and Tesla, focusing on renewable energy and sustainable transport.
So this trained GPT is currently used in IILM in certain ways. First, for the student gets the class notes, exactly how the classroom has happened. Secondly, it can get the keynotes, key themes, revise those topics, can get practice assessment from GPT, and the assessment will be done exactly the way the faculty has done in the class. And moreover, it also tries to interact with the students in terms of what is the level they have achieved in terms of learning those content. And apart from that, it also provides the best way of case studies, best way of engaging practice exercises on the key themes and key areas which the teacher has taught in the class. Apart from that, if somebody has missed a particular week for the class, the student can write to GPT exactly they missed week 5 class, and GPT will exactly gives you the revision exactly what was taught in the class. And moreover, it also gives you practice exercises to make sure that you are not missing anything which the sir has already taught. The funny part is it also tells you that what is the best way to score well in sir's class. I think that's the best way to look at AI. So now if you look at it, we are using AI is more like a tutor who is just enhancing the classroom experience what the faculty has already taught. I think that's the best way IILM is moving to lead the technological adoption in terms of AI in education. We are not just trying to make a conversation on AI, but we're trying to see exactly how this can be accepted as a part of a daily classroom learning for students.